Okay, students, time for part B. In part B, they want you to make a linear equation using the perimeters that you just found out and using the information from the question. The question told you that the ratio of the perimeter of the triangle to the perimeter of the rectangle is 5 to 9. I wrote down our ratio right here, 5 to 9. And that is going to equal the perimeter of the triangle over the perimeter of the rectangle. So I set these equal like this. 15x minus 10 is the triangle, and that's why it's in the numerator position, just like in the ratio. And then 24x minus or plus 6 is the perimeter of the rectangle, which is why it's in the denominator, just like the 9. So whenever you have a ratio like this, I suggest students solve it by cross multiplying. I like to do this loop to indicate which numbers I'm going to multiply together in cross multiplication. Now I'm going to rewrite this. So I have 15x minus 10 times 9 is equal to the quantity 24x plus 6 times 5. So these are equal to each other because we had a true ratio. And now what do? That's right, we're going to distribute 9 times 15x is 135x. Bring down that subtraction symbol. Distribute the 9 to the 10, and you have 135x minus 90 is equal to, so now we're going to distribute the 5 to the 24. And we end up with 120x. Bring down that addition symbol. Distribute the 5 to the 6. So you have plus 30. Okay, what now? Whenever I have an algebraic equation and I have x's on both sides, I want to get it so there's only x's on one side. I have 135x on the left. I have 120x on the right. I'm going to subtract 120x. Anything you do to the right, you have to do to the left. Anything you do to one side, you have to do to the other side. So I'm going to subtract it on both sides. And I end up with 15x minus 90 equals, see, I just brought that 90 down. I brought the subtraction symbol down. Now I go over here and I bring down the 30. I don't have to bring down the addition symbol because it just means this is 30, not negative 30. Okay, I want to get x all by itself. I got one more step. I got to get rid of this minus 90. The way I undo subtraction is with addition. So then I have, these go away because minus 90 plus 90 is 0. And I have 15x equals 120. All right, I'm almost done, but there's still some information with the x I need to get rid of. I need to get rid of that 15. This means 15 times x. How do you undo multiplication? With division. Anything you do to one side, you do to the other. So then you have those 15s cancel. And 120 divided by 15 is 8. The 15s canceled and I was left with just an x on the left. 120 divided by 15 is 8. Your answer for part B will be written in a similar fashion. X equals what?